In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do lookups and sumifs in Airtable. Start by opening your Airtable base and go into the example table. This is where we will build two helpful fields, a lookup and then a rollup that works like a sumif by totaling values from related records. First, we will create the lookup field. In the header row, click into the field area where you want the new field to appear. Select the field name area so it is highlighted. Then type the name you want for this new field. Keep the name specific so it is easy to recognize later, especially if your table grows. Next, set the field type to lookup by clicking Lookup in the Field Type options. Airtable will then ask what linked table you want to pull data from. Choose Table 5. You may see Table 5 listed more than once depending on where you click, but you are selecting the same linked source. After that, click Choose a Field. This means you are choosing which field from Table 5 you want to bring into this table. Select Number, since we want to look up numeric values. Then click Create Field to finish. At this point, the lookup is created, and it will display the values that come through the linked records. Now we will set up the sumif style total using a rollup. Click back into Table 5 to make sure you are in the right place, then navigate as needed until you are back in the example table where you want to add the rollup. Again, click into the field header area, highlight the field name, and type a clear name for this new total field. For the field type, click Rollup. A rollup summarizes values across linked records, which is why it acts like a sumif when you are rolling up numbers for each linked group. When prompted, choose Table 5 as the linked record field. Then click Choose a Field and select Number. This tells Airtable which numeric field you want to summarize. Once everything is set, click Create Field. Now you will have a rollup field that totals the number values across the related records, giving you a clean per-record sum based on your links. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.